All right, we are live. Hey, welcome everybody. Thank you all so much for being here. Why don't you guys put your name and where you're from in the comment section. Say hi to me, say hi to Justin. We are super excited to have you guys with us today. We're going to go into further the Royalty Notification Network. So I'm super excited for you guys. What I want you guys to know, I see some people hopping on, but I'm really excited for this. What I want you guys to know is that if you are sharing right now, I want you guys to share this video out. You actually have the opportunity to be on the Royalty Notification Network early. Just by sharing, we're going to choose some people to be on that Royalty Notification Network early. So I'm super excited for that. Make sure that you share. Make sure that you comment that you've shared. We have some super exciting news for you guys today. So thank you for being here. I'm going to turn it on over to our founder, Justin Bellababa. Thank you, Justin.
Thanks, Cheryl. Hi, everyone. Great to be here today. Thank you for taking the time to join us for this exciting update. It is my great pleasure to be able to share with all of you some more information about the new Royalty Notification Network, which will be released in December. Before I do, I just want to take a minute to review everything that's gone on in this last incredibly busy, exciting week. As you probably know, last Thursday, Google announced that they will be phasing out the nearby platform. So as nearby notifications will be phased out starting December 6th. The nearby platform was the platform, again, in case you're not aware, that we, as well as other proximity marketing companies, used in order to deliver notifications from your gem to nearby Android phones. While I fully expect that the Google announcement will cause big problems for smaller, less tech-savvy companies, Royalty will not be affected. I said it last week. I'll say it again this week. Royalty will be stronger than ever. And that's not luck, okay? It's because we were ready. We always knew this could happen. Google drops platforms and projects all the time. And we didn't know if it would be in 5 weeks. We didn't know if it would be 5 months or even 5 years, but we always knew it was possible. And we made sure that we were prepared in the event that it should happen. The solution that we are releasing over the next few weeks sounds simple, but believe me, behind the scenes, it's taken a ton of hard work to actually make it happen. I'm going to explain one more time what it is that we're actually doing. In addition to registering your beacons on the Google Nearby platform, we have already, okay, so this is already done. We have already registered your beacons on some of the biggest, most popular websites in the world. So starting in December, when someone near you is looking at one of those websites or apps on their phone, right? So one of the websites or apps that's on our network, your ad can now appear on that website on their phone that they're looking at. So the concept itself is it's literally that simple. The ability to surface your ad on the phones of really anyone who's looking at a website or app that is part of our network. And in a few minutes, I'll share with you just a few of the first websites and apps that we've already partnered with, and I think you're going to be really excited. We started doing this integration several months ago. So now that a lot of that work is done, I can tell you with 100% certainty, there is no need to change beacons. We don't need to reconfigure anything. Nothing needs to happen. The gem that you have right now will work perfectly on the new network. Now, while the gem itself will stay exactly the same, there will be some major changes. And I'm going to share some of those changes with you now. Okay? First, your ads will no longer be restricted to 40 characters and a link like they were on Google Nearby. On the new Royaltie Notification Network, you'll be able to enter much longer messages and upload any image you like. In the future, hopefully near future, we will work to enable video ads as well. Okay, but right away you're going to be able to load much longer messages and upload any image you like to your ad. Second, you will no longer be restricted to advertising only on Android phones. Your ads will now hit laptops, tablets, and yes, iPhones. Third, and this is big, this is really big, okay? As long as you use your gem, we will be able to guarantee you a number of impressions of your high quality ad every month. With the Google Nearby network, we couldn't guarantee how many people would see your notification. But now that we control our own network, we will be able to guarantee you a large number of impressions every month. Of course, the more you use your gem, the more popular your ad is, the more powerful the gem that you have, right? So the NF 100 meter, BF 400 meter, GF 1000 meter, the better the results will be. But you will know for sure that your ad will receive a large number of exposures every month on every gem you own, guaranteed. We will announce the details of the number of impressions included in this guarantee next week, so stay tuned for that announcement. Moving on. Fourth, we can now access the largest population in the world. Google Nearby did not work in China. I am excited to confirm that we successfully delivered thousands of advertising impressions to mainland China over the past week. So we are now open for business in China, which is incredibly exciting. Still going here. Fifth, because this service will cost us more as a company to deliver. After all, we now have to purchase millions and millions and millions of ad impressions from all of our various partners. I do need to tell you that there will be a price increase on December 1st. We will publish the details of that price increase in the next few days. So again, stay tuned for that. But there is really good news. None of our existing customers, okay? No existing customer will see your price go up by even 1 penny. Our existing customers, so anyone who's a customer today or anyone who becomes a customer before the price change on December 1st, will get full access to the new network, including access to our guaranteed number of monthly impressions without any price change at all. Okay, again, if you're a customer today or you become a customer in the month of November before the price change happened, you can lock in the current pricing. So to summarize all of this, you keep your gem exactly as it is. It will trigger high quality ads on the most popular websites and apps in the world. Your ads will now reach all types of devices, including iPhone. You will get a large, guaranteed minimum number of monthly impressions of your ad. You can sell this service now on any country on earth, including China. And your price and the price for anyone who signs up before December 1st will stay exactly as it is now. Last but not least, I promise to give you a preview of a few of the hundreds of websites and apps that have already been integrated into the Royaltie Notification Network. So there are many, many more. Here's a quick sample. Yahoo.com, AOL.com, CNN.com, Forbes.com, USAtoday.com, and of course, Facebook. We will announce new integrations in the weeks ahead. We've already done hundreds. That's just a small sample. And through these sites, we already have reached to more than 2 billion people in virtually every country on Earth. Now, I want to emphasize this. This isn't just about our US customers. This is a worldwide business. So to our partners and our customers in Korea and France and Germany and Austria and Mexico and Switzerland and Japan. I want you all to know that we have at least 3 of the top 10 websites in each of your countries in our network today. Okay, so no matter where you are in the world, all of our customers and affiliates will be extremely well taken care of by the new network. So that's my update for this week. I hope you are all as excited as we are for a great November. And with that, I will pass it back over to you, Cheryl. Thank you.
Thank you, Justin. I can see everybody's comments and they're super excited, as am I. I want you guys to make sure that you're commenting, make sure that you're sharing for the ability to gain first access to our royalty notification network. I'm super excited about that. You know, you guys, I've been in this industry and I've watched people watch and wait and see if a company will survive their first year, see if a company will survive their first 18 months. What I have to say about royalty is we not only survive, but we thrive and we continue to dominate this market. If you are not excited about where we are and where we are going, you absolutely should be. You should be calling every single person that you've ever had become a part of royalty or want to become a part of royalty all over again, having them come to these videos, having them come to these updates, and talking about the new royalty notification network. What I want you guys to see is, I talked to Justin. If you knew, I want to sometimes pull the passion outside of Justin because he's such a great person, such a great guy. He cares about his affiliates. He talks about how much he appreciates you guys so much. When I talked to him about reactivating affiliates, get this, you guys, reactivating affiliates, what do they have to do? They just have to pay first and last month. That's it. There is no activation fee. All you have to do is have them email support@royaltie.com and your person can be reactivated. It is that simple. If they don't have a gem, they just have to pay shipping. I'm serious, you guys. This is a huge thing to watch this company continue to dominate this market, continue to thrive. And I hope that you guys are as excited as I am. Make sure that you're sharing this video because you want to be among the first to be a part of the Royalty Notification Network. My name is Cheryl Coco, Vice President of Marketing. I am so proud to be a part of Royalty. I want you guys to shout it out, put it in the comments. Tell us how proud you are to be a part of Royalty, and let's get this thing started. Let's start spreading the news everywhere. Happy to be here. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, guys. Love you guys. Good night, everybody. Bye-bye.